everyone, I am Pallavi and welcome back to my channel. So I am back with yet another DIY video, that is hair mask for dry and damaged hair, which is also going to accelerate your hair growth. So let's start with the DIY. The ingredients which we are going to need is honey, coconut oil, a bowl with a spoon and an egg. Honey is a great ingredient as it reduces breakage. It is rich in antioxidant properties. It also strengthens the hair roots and also has antibacterial and antiseptic qualities. Now, coconut oil is a great product as it stimulates hair growth, fights the scalp problems. It also adds luster, shine and softness to the hair, whereas prevents hair breakage and split ends. Next, we are also going to use eggs, which are rich in fatty acids and also has a protein component that helps in tightening the pores and remove the excessive oil from hair. Now let's begin with the DIY. So in the bowl, firstly we are going to take the honey. So we are going to pour 1 tablespoon of honey in the bowl. Later, we are also going to use coconut oil. Now here I am using virgin coconut oil, but you can also use any kind of oil whichever is available at your house. So I am using 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and adding to the honey mixture in the bowl. And now we are going to break 1 full egg into the bowl. Now once all the 3 ingredients are put in the bowl, we are going to mix the complete mixture and mix it vigorously so that it gets evenly mixed to each other. And then we will be applying this mask to our wet hair. So first you need to damp your hair or towel dry your hair. Now here I am going to apply this mixture into the hair. I'm using the hair dye brush for it, so if you don't have the hair dye brush, you can go forward and apply it with your hands. That's completely up to you. So I'm going to apply it evenly all throughout the hair, and yes, that's it. Now you know, in this mixture we used honey as it reduces the breakage, which is why it stimulates the hair growth. The honey is also rich in antioxidant properties, which is why it prevents damage of hair, keeping our scalp very healthy and clean. It also helps in strengthening the hair roots, due to which there is no hair fall, and it also has antibacterial and antiseptic qualities, which is why we used honey in this mixture. Now this hair mask will be quite messy, so make sure that you cover yourself with an old t-shirt of yours. Now coconut oil is a great product, but as I used extra virgin coconut oil, as it has innumerable benefits and is available in the purest compressed form, I highly advise you all to go and go for a compressed oils, like the extra virgin kind of oils. It's available in extra virgin olive oil, extra virgin coconut oil. You can add any one of those. Now one thing I can assure you, that really after you wash your hair will personally feel so soft and shiny without any frizziness. I can share that with my personal experience. That is what I experienced after applying this hair mask. Now once you are done applying your hair mask, you can cover your head with a shower cap or some plastic bag and let it rest for about 20 to 25 minutes, and then you can rinse it off with cold water. Do try this DIY at your home and you can see considerable difference in your hair growth. And if you really did, then do share your valuable comments down below. Hope you guys liked this video, and if you really did, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos.